night at McDonald's Wing Champ 2012, brought to you by our friends of the AGA Nation.
This is an extreme wakeboarding event, and you're at Bayside Sports Grille in Walled Lake. It's an event that brings young, old, exciting new sports and adventure all in one.
It's been an amazing weekend so far. We've had a handful of awesome amateur advanced riders. Pro men wakeboarders are out there right now, but the sponsors showed up, the fans have showed up. It's been a big, huge party and just a lot of fun. Make sure you guys check out the AGA Nation website for all the footage for this weekend's event. Oh yeah!
Let your imagining soar with me to a magnanimously magnificent mashup deeply ingrained in our brain's pleasure center. The simple joy of sublimity, where a decidedly delicious any size icy cold Coca-Cola soft drink or sweet tea is just $1.